Morning, Jehovah's Witnesses.
Good morning. Could I speak to an elder? Any elder, really?
Okay, where are you calling from?
In the UK.
Okay. What is this call regarding?
It's about two Jehovah's Witnesses I met yesterday.
Okay, in the UK?
Yeah, I just want to ask something.
Okay, so we have a branch that you can call?
Yeah, I know, but I'm ringing World Headquarters because it's to do with about the future.
It has to do with the future?
Yeah. Well, I'll just tell you quickly. I was on the way to pick up a prescription for my best friend Trish, some tablets. I came back and saw these two Jehovah's Witnesses, and I said to them, are you Jehovah's Witnesses? And she says, oh, does that scare you? I says, no, but this might. After I talked to the Jehovah's Witnesses, I came home, I took photos on them because basically they weren't very happy with me, what I said. And I took some photos, uploaded them to my Google Drive and did a folder at 6:22 a.m. I live in Lincoln City. Now, when I was going through the duplicates, I was deleting them. 22 minutes later, there was a massive earthquake in California. Did you know? 320 miles away from Lincoln City. Lincoln City, I live in the UK. I live in the UK, and I told those sisters that I am Jehovah God Almighty, and I have all the evidence. Supernatural clouds outside my house 20 minutes ago.